There is so many things in the claim file. And if you're wondering what's in it, here's the answer. Every single thing the VA looked at to make the decision, everything will be in there. That's your claims file. That's what it's for.
Wait, you mean the video surveillance tapes from me walking from my car to inside the building are going to be in that file, Clay?
I would assume they didn't look at those whenever you're doing that. What Jason's referencing is the most recent fraud case. I forgot the gentleman's name, but he was acting like he had paralysis, and then he would, in his car, drive normal, went to the gym, was posting on Instagram, Facebook about all this heavy weights he's lifting, get to the VA, pull out his wheelchair, and all of a sudden his legs don't work. That's paraphrased. It was much more than that. But yeah, I would hope the video surveillance isn't in there. I don't think you can upload videos to a CD anyways. I don't know. But yes, everything you need, and that rating code sheet. If you're not 100%, absolutely. If you're not PNT, excuse me. If you are not PNT, there is no reason you should not request your C file and then your rating code sheet. Your rating code sheet will be in your C file. There's no reason not to do it, right? You're fighting blind. Stop fighting blind. Just go for it. And next week, we'll have to talk about CMP exam results, which is going to be a huge one. And then your service treatment records, with so many veterans, myself included, wanted my service treatment records. And it's like finding a needle in a haystack is what requesting your service treatment records are like. But Jason, that's all I have. You have any parting shots? And then we'll give the, if we help each other, something's good.